My name is Tom Hadaway. I'm with the Stan Weaver Company, and on this video short, we're going to show you how to change ramp speeds, which is your acceleration and deceleration time on an ABB ACH 580 drive. Select Menu, Primary Settings, Ramps, Edit Acceleration Time. The default is 30 seconds. On larger horsepower, usually above 60, you need to increase this value. You want to be able to run from 0 to 60 Hertz without the drive tripping on overcurrent. Save. I always set the acceleration and deceleration time to same. Save. Back out to the home screen.